Today we're going to be looking at the ed ending sound. The ed ending sound comes with the past tense word. We add ed to make the word past tense. There are 3 ways to pronounce the ed sound. The first one is the T sound. Words ending with the letters K, S, F, P, T, ch, and sh. For example, the word help ends with the letter P. When we make it past tense, we add the ed, so this ed sound sounds like T. Helped. Helped. This is a second sound, id. So words ending with either letters T or D have the id sound. For example, want. When you add past tense, ed, wanted. Wanted. And finally, the D sound. Words ending with the rest of the alphabet A, B, E, G, H, I, J, L, M, N, O, Q, R, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. For example, play, played. Do you see how it sounds? Played. D. Now let's practice. Let's practice together and take a look at the sentence. I laughed at the joke. I laughed at the joke. Let's see what sound the ed sound at the end of laugh is. It's a T sound. Laughed. If you remember, it ends with H, and so it will have the T sound. Let's take a look at this one. The snake killed the mouse. The snake killed the mouse. You've guessed it. Killed has the D sound. When I was younger, I wanted to walk on the moon. When I was younger, I wanted to walk on the moon. If you remember, I just mentioned this example. It is the id sound, wanted. Now it's your turn. I'm going to read some sentences and you're going to guess what sound the ed sound has. Our work is finished. Our work is finished. The teacher helped the student. The teacher helped the student. We hiked to the top of the mountain. We hiked to the top of the mountain. James rented his apartment. James rented his apartment. And here are the answers. We can't go swimming because the pool is covered. We can't go swimming because the pool is covered. That old house is haunted. That old house is haunted. We hunted for her keys but could not find them. We hunted for her keys but could not find them. And here are the answers. There are, of course, exceptions, which we have to memorize. Now, there are words that end with ed but just sound with id without the rules that apply. So, dogged, aged, blessed, learned, naked, ragged, wicked, wretched, and crooked. Thank you for watching, and see you next lesson.